Hello and welcome to the MSP M0 Peripheral Training Series. Today I will be going over the MSP M0's comparator, or comp module. Both the MSP M0G and the MSP M0L contain comparator functionality. The M0L has one comparator, while the M0G has three. All of the comparator modules have ultra-low power high-speed modes and come with an 8-bit reference DAC. Comparator modules can be used for supply voltage monitoring and external analog signal monitoring. The comparator module is mainly divided into two parts: the signal input part and the comparator output part. The positive input signal can use many sources, including the external comparator inputs, the DAC12 output, op-amp output, and another comparator's output. The negative input signal may also use a few different sources, such as an op-amp output, temperature sensor, or external sources. Now that we understand some basics about how the comparator on the MSP M0 works, we can start to learn how to use it. First, we recommend buying an MSP M0 Launchpad to get started developing without any additional accessories. Once you have a Launchpad, you can get started on the MSP M0 Academies. The Academies help readers learn about the configuration and usage of the MSP M0 devices through successive tasks, questions, and instructions. You may also refer directly to the driver library functions, technical reference manual, and datasheet. We highly recommend using the sysconfig graphical configuration tool. To do this, open your project and the included sysconfig file. Next, navigate to the Comp, or Comparator tab. Now, enter your desired parameters. Once you've done this, you can build your project, and sysconfig will generate the code necessary to initialize the comparator module with the parameters you've selected. You can learn more about quickly getting started by visiting the links in the lower left corner. These include links to the MSP M0 Academy, SDK, and technical documentation. Thank you for listening to our introduction of the comparator module within the MSP M0 device line. Please visit the links above to learn more about the MSP M0 devices.